So hello my friends, so today I want learning new elements for me. Yes, it's another video I doing element the pretzel, but it's I apologized because it was not pretzel and today I want to do and learn right pretzel, right? So for this exercise I need put my leg on the head, but I don't sure I can do this, but I will try. So for this I need hitting exercise. Yes, let's start with me learning something new. It's really cool thing. So go to this exercise and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, awesome. Yes, you can go down in this position and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, cool. Also change position and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and right to this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Actually, go to the back and do also this exercise. Try to catch your knee to the floor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so do position 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? So okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Super. Change your legs. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, good job. So finally I will try doing this exercise, but I repeat, I don't sure that I can do it, but we can learn something new. It's very impossible and I always develop with you. And so go. Maybe you do this, right? You take your legs and try to do on your head, but my final position it will be only this. Yes, I always can do this. Yes, and maybe I can do this. Yes, you can actually see this. Oh, it's finally position, but I can try. Whew. Okay, these can do one by one, right? And also this. Okay, so you can see only this, but I will try. Yes, so oh, okay. It's very bad, but I will work with this and the next video I hope I will do this very excellent. So also you can see that I'm not a robot, yes, and I don't can do everything, and so let's do and develop together. Yes, let's do training which will be learning us with something new. So thank you so much. Give me a feedback. Yes, how do you feel? And so see you soon. Bye.